This is a short illustration of how we annotate receipts at Standardised. We do this using a tool called Ticket, which was developed by Habits. And we can see here within the Ticket interface that a large number of scanned receipts have been uploaded already. And these receipts in the lines here all ran through pedal OCR, meaning we have the extracted text that was found on the tickets uploaded together with an image of the corresponding ticket itself here. So if we click on this ticket here, for example, we can now see how we assign labels to the text found on the receipts. The OCR algorithm combines two things. First of all, the text detection. So it recognizes and marks the areas where text was found, and it extracts these bounding boxes that we can see here in yellow. So, for example, it detected correctly the first product line here saying cucumber, and the text then appears in the middle here in this column. So the OCR extracts the plain text only without knowing whether, for example, a box contains a product name or a price, for example. And with the labeling, our task now is to annotate data which can be used to train a document understanding AI in order to then actually understand what the text on the receipt means. In other words, we're annotating or generating data here, which is then used to train a model which knows what the different boxes here mean and what information they contain. For this purpose, of course, we have to give each box a meaning, and we do this by choosing the right categories here on the right side, so that it is clear which box means what. So the box saying cucumber here in this example can be labeled as item description, and its price of 49 cents, which we can find here, could be labeled as item price. And by doing so, we assign the actual meaning to these boxes and to the text that they contain. And based on the training data that we generate like this, the algorithm will ultimately be able to assign a meaning to the text boxes and thus to understand the receipts. This is important so that in the following step, the correct product information ends up in the Kreukorb classification algorithm also. And information that is important to label here are, of course, the shop name, the date, but also, of course, the product name and the price. Finally, it is also possible to correct text, so to not only label the text, but also to correct text that was detected with errors by the OCR model. So in this case here, we have a missing N, which we could add by doing so. We just correct the text that was detected by the OCR algorithm, and we have then updated the address correctly.